up, guys? Today we're going to be working on an old power stroke. Got to change the ICP. That little jewel right there. Down here where y'all can see it. Whole thing right there is $222. That's Ford plates. They say only buy the Ford one. The other ones just don't last. Truck's been cutting out, pulled the plug. It's got oil in the sensor it ain't supposed to have. So it's getting oil on the contacts. And it's cutting out bad today. So we're gonna change it out. Headed back to the house so I can get it changed out. So let's get to it. Alright guys. I don't know if y'all can see that real good, but I got it unplugged. That thing is not supposed to have oil in it, but it does. So I mean it's going bad. And it is a booger to get to. Here's the new one. $222 for that little piece right there. But I had to make a tool to get in there and get to it, so I'm fixing to attempt to get it out. I'm not sure if y'all seeing that or not. Let me see here. Yeah, right there it is. Alright, let me show y'all the tool. It's 5/8 on the original one, and it's got 215,000 miles on the truck and still got the original ICP. It's still hot, had a weld on it a little bit. I tried to bend the wrench with a cheap wrench so it broke. So I just put it back together and welded it. That way I can get it in there. Work it like crow's foot, hopefully. Let's see if it works. There's the old one. Got oil in it. That's the new one. Ah, left my wrench over on the ground. Brett. The new one takes 1 inch and 1/16. You just want to snug it pretty good where you don't break it. And reconnect the connector. There we go. That part is changed. Crap. Alright guys, got it changed out. ICP sensor. Seems to be running a lot better. Should actually get up and go now. It's actually breaking traction right there. She's back. All I needed was a $222 part. Good old ICP sensor. Still had the original one in it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Local PD. Let's go ahead and get some feel on this old horse. Kidding me? Come on, turn the pump on. New ICP sensor runs a whole lot better. She ain't doing all that cutting out she was. Sometimes all it takes is a little maintenance. Hit that like button, y'all.